Now let's go into set up some inputs and outputs. If you go to Studio One at the top, go to Options, and then Song Setup. When I select Song Setup, there is an audio input and output. This is a grid showing all of your inputs and your outputs for your audio interface. So as you can see at the top, going from left to right, I have analog 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have a bunch of ADAT channels. So the way I've got it labeled out, you can actually change the names of any of these. So I've named them what they actually are. So instead of it saying input 1, I actually have one that's called TLM 103. That's the name of this microphone right here. My microphone is going to be on channel 1, and then RME2 is not being used at the moment. That is the second channel, or the right channel on my RME interface. It's going to analog 2. So you've done this in math class before. Just make sure from left to right that they're matching up evenly. EG Direct is actually the instrument cable going straight into my guitar input on my RME interface. And then my fourth channel on the RME interface is another guitar input I could be using, but I don't have to. Here are my ADAT channels. So on my Sapphire Pro 40, channel 1 on my Sapphire Pro 40 is my overhead mic that's above my drums. The second channel is the SM57 that's on my Fender Bassman speaker cabinet. The third channel on my Sapphire Pro 40 is my kick drum mic. Then I have my snare drum mic, which is the SM7. And then I have 2 tom channels. Channels 7 and 8 I'm actually using so that you can hear my voice right now. That's being looped back through the system. You probably won't have that as well, but make sure all your inputs are labeled correctly. And then for outputs, 99.9% of the time, you're probably not messing with this at all. Your output just needs to be your stereo out 1 and 2.